The impact of artificial intelligence. Introduction. What is artificial intelligence? How is AI used in society today? What are the potential impacts of AI on society? What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to machines that simulate human intelligence, allowing them to process information, recognize patterns, make decisions, and improve over time. AI includes technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics, enabling computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. How is AI used in society today? Artificial intelligence powers virtual assistants, smart home devices, and personalized recommendations, making everyday tasks more convenient. Artificial intelligence transforms healthcare, finance, and transportation, from disease diagnosis to autonomous vehicles and business automation. Potential impacts of AI on society. Positive impacts. Artificial intelligence improves healthcare, education, and productivity by enabling early disease detection, personalized learning, and allowing for more efficient work. Negative impacts. AI can lead to job displacement, privacy concerns due to data collection, and perpetuate biases if not properly monitored, affecting areas like hiring and law enforcement. Job displacement. AI and robots are automating repetitive tasks, leading to the displacement of jobs in manufacturing, retail, and customer service. Jobs that require minimal skills are most at risk, as AI systems can perform these tasks more efficiently than humans. While some jobs are displaced, new roles in AI development, data analysis, and tech support are emerging, requiring new skills. Job displacement can lead to income inequality and social challenges if workers aren't retrained or supported in transitioning to new careers. Bias and discrimination. Bias in AI arises when algorithms reflect prejudices from biased data, leading to discrimination in areas like hiring and law enforcement. Ensuring fairness requires careful design and testing of AI systems. The potential for misuse or abuse. AI can be misused for harmful purposes, such as surveillance, creating deepfakes, or spreading misinformation. Without proper regulation, AI systems could be exploited by malicious actors, raising concerns about privacy and security. Ethical considerations. AI raises ethical concerns regarding privacy, fairness, and accountability. It's important to ensure AI systems are transparent, unbiased, and used responsibly to avoid harm and protect human rights. Timeline of key milestones. AI has evolved from early rule-based systems in the 1950s to modern machine learning and deep learning, with significant advancements in natural language processing and robotics. Conclusion. AI has the potential to greatly benefit society, but also presents challenges like job displacement, bias, and ethical concerns. It's important to regulate AI to ensure it is developed and used responsibly, promoting fairness and transparency. Thank you. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope the information was helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to reach out.